Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with a new mini album to share with you. So let's take a look. So hi guys, I am super excited to share this project with you. I absolutely love the colors of this collection. It is actually a collection that I had for a long time, which is called View, and I think it's by Photoplay if I'm not mistaken. I don't have the cover of the collection anymore, but I love how these turned out, and I love the size of this little book. So this book measures 8.5 by 6.5, and it is a landscape style book with 4 signature pages. And so this is another one of the projects that you can find on my digital magazine. So as you know, on the magazine I create a step-by-step picture tutorials for a mini album. So I have a couple mini albums there, also different projects and inspiration. So let's go ahead and take a look here. I went ahead and added these little bling pieces. These are actually individual like medallion pieces, I think, and I just went ahead and glued them to kind of make that look like a trim. And I believe I found these at Hobby Lobby on the wedding section, and the stickers and everything are from the collection. So let's take a look inside. So the way this book is designed is all the front pages are different and the back pages are all the same, so it makes the book really simple and quick to walk through. And also we have this additional extra page on each one of the pages as well. But let's go ahead and take a look here on the inside covers. We just have a simple folding, kind of like a box style page, and I like this style because you can always put more photo mats and just kind of wrap them all around here and just have even more space for pictures. But again, you can put your pictures anywhere. And then over here on this next section, oh, these foam stickers are actually from a different sticker set, which is not part of this collection, but I just had that on my stash and I just love how it kind of goes with the Parisian and vacation theme. So this opens and opens, and then over here we have a double accordion fold, and then a beautiful area here for a picture, and then this closes up like that. And then so here on the back page, all the back pages have this pocket on the back, and then we have this additional page section, so you could magnetize this and keep it as one signature, or you can have it as a floating page. And so that's the way that I have it here, as a floating page. And so each one of the back pages have a pocket, and I just use some of my leftover papers to do these photo mats, and then you can of course fit so many more on this pocket as well. And then large area for a picture, and then this is the back. So I just went ahead and decorated with some of the stickers from the collection, and this is another cute little foam sticker here. And then this is a double accordion fold like that, and then you can place a large picture on the back. And then again for the back you have the pocket page and some more photo mats in here. Again, I love the colors of this collection. And then over here we have this floating page, and I did put some foam stickers and then places for pictures. Then this is the next page. Over here it says, life isn't about finding yourself, it's about creating yourself. And I really love this quote right there. And then this opens up like that. Again, a lot of room for pictures. This is some complimentary just solid cardstock, and this is the color fuchsia, and it's from the Recollections brand. I love that bright pink there. And then over here again with the same style pocket, and then more different size photo mats for you to continue adding pictures. And then you can also use a white gel pen to do some journaling and talk about the pictures that you put on the front. Here another one of the floating extra pages. And then this looks like a little envelope page, but it opens like that, and it's an accordion fold page again, a double accordion fold. And so that's the inside. And I only use one 12 by 12 collection for this entire book, so I am complementing here, but mainly on these places you will just add your pictures. So over here, another pocket and more of these photo mats, and I had a little leftover of this pink, so I went ahead and matted that one as well. And then we have another cute sticker, some more foam stickers here. Love this butterfly paper. And then this design was probably my favorite. I just really love how this looks. So when you put your picture, you can of course make sure that you have enough of the design paper showing. And then another beautiful quote over here, and this is kind of like a little mini book within the mini book, because we do have quite a lot of pages here. These are all just solid cardstock, because I did run out of cardstock at this point, but mainly just places, a lot of places for pictures. And you can repeat these layouts even more times here on top. You do have plenty of room to add more, and then make these even, you know, you can probably even add 2 more, so have 4 pages there. So all of that is on the magazine, again with scoring, cutting guide, and instructions on how to make this book. So I'm gonna have that magazine link below if you're interested on that. And also I will be having this book available for purchase, so it will also be linked down below. But I hope you guys enjoy the walkthrough, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.